Quantum reality, what the math actually says in under 3 minutes. Here's something that shouldn't be possible. Light that traveled past a galaxy 8 billion years ago doesn't have a definite path until you measure it today. The past is literally waiting for the present to define it. 8 billion years ago, before Earth even existed, light from a quasar encounters a galaxy. Gravity bends it around both sides. Classical physics says it must go left or right. That's ancient history, settled long before our own sun was born. John Wheeler said, prove it. If that light really took a definite path billions of years ago, nothing we do today should change that fact. But if quantum mechanics is right, that light is still in superposition, both paths at once, waiting for us to measure it. Here's how we test this. When light bends around a galaxy, it's exactly like our double slit experiment. If the photon took one path, no interference. If it took both paths, interference will appear. We point our telescope at the ancient quasar light. If we measure which side the galaxy it came from, we find a definite path. If we look for interference, we find it took both paths. Think about what just happened. Our measurement today just determined what light was doing 8 billion years ago. When that photon was passing the galaxy, our solar system was just hydrogen floating in space, yet its path remained undefined, waiting for us. This isn't about consciousness. It's about the nature of reality. Properties don't exist floating through space for billions of years. They exist when measured. For 8 billion years, that light didn't have a path. Not hidden, not unknown. It was non-existent. The universe doesn't write history and hide it in a vault. It keeps all possible histories in superposition until measurement collapses them into fact. Wheeler called it the participatory universe, not because we're special, but because this is how nature works. Reality emerges from interaction between quantum possibilities and measurement, even backwards through time. Next episode, the quantum eraser experiment, where we destroy interference by marking paths, then resurrect it by erasing that information.